Hello everyone, welcome to the another episode of Logging In. For this episode, I will be showing you for the process for logging in into your Wikipedia account. Now to log in, first of all, you open your browser and open a new tab. On the search bar, you type in www.wikipedia.com and press enter. Now you need to choose your language, and from here then once you're at the Wikipedia page, you can see on the top right corner there's login option. On the very right side of your screen, you click on login. Now here to log in, you provide your username and password. I'm going to type in my username for the account. Then below you type in your password and click on login. With this, you will be logging into your Wikipedia account of yours. There you can see your profile name on the top. This is how you can easily log in into your account. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Login Aid channel, and also don't forget to click on bell icon for the notification and updates. Thank you.